electric, he started spinning his tire around.
It's raining!
And we lost power.
It's raining and there's no power at my grandma's.
We just had the power outage and we thought this would be fun.
Caitlin, Red, hold my phone this way. Just like that. It's raining! It's not that bad.
He's being stupid as always.
It's not that bad out, but it is raining like...
Catch a dog.
This one time, it's raining like hell. It literally killed the whole power.
So now, we're just standing outside, but we have light.
Yep. Light
One
and a big tree.
A man once said, let there be light.
Starting to calm down a bit, but as you can see, my hair is wet. So, we've been not doing videos very much.
No, we tried.
We try, sometimes we fail, but that's part of life.
And especially now that we're tripodless.
Yes, we are using hands.
That kind of works.
That works!
Okay, so I guess Red's gonna hold the phone.
Yeah,
But yes,
I have more steady arms.
yeah.
for most of you that know about our Facebook page for the Let's Talk franchise,
I made it.
and we have got over 100 likes within a week.
Almost 200 actually.
If
Yeah,
we
almost
get-
200.
If we get 500 likes, you guys tell us what franchise you guys want us to talk about.
No,
My mom actually liked the page.
we'll do. We've already got past our mark, anyways. We were only going to do up to 100 to do all of that, and there's already over 150,
60.
Okay,
60.
let's rephrase that. If we get 500 likes, we'll do a special video for you guys.
Yep.
Yeah. Let there be fire and water at the same time. Fire!
Give that fire.
I carry a lighter on me in case of emergencies. I did have my wallet on me, which has a credit card knife, but I don't want my stuff in my wallet wet, especially the bus pass.
Right? But this is just a good day just to do a video, even if it's raining outside.
This ain't a good day.
Well, the rain is making it calm, so.
This day is terrible.
At least we're not out in the heat.
Well, look at the bright side. At least the rain is making it calm.
Yeah, but we have no power.
For the time being. So,
I'm gonna go grab this umbrella over here.
Yeah, that's my dad's umbrella.
It's broken.
as good as gone. This is
It broke.
Yeah, I think whatchamacallit fell off.
One of the metal rods on it busted off.
Yeah. It's old anyways.
But, I mean, it's raining,
It's
pouring. Can't.
pouring.
Wait, where are you going? Why? Are we leaving? But I want to go.
That was his dad.
Yes, it was. But yeah, so
Woo!
yeah, no idea what's going on.
I had no idea where he's going at this moment.
I don't think he's going anywhere.
Maybe he's trying to charge up his phone. Maybe, I don't know.
Whee! I got this little thing over here I'm messing with. It's an odd. I broke it.
So if you lose power and if you ever want to get some light and do a video, just come outside. Just come outside, and if it's raining, just go find somewhere that you won't get wet.
Shade.
It fell off.
So it's just starting to get the breeze in. But yeah, so if
It's
our,
starting to get worse.
if our equipment was waterproof, we would do this outside.
Yeah. I mean, I have a shed, so if I was able to go into there.
Yeah, but we can't.
You know, if that shed didn't have anything in it, I could clean it out and make it a little home. Make it my own little apartment.
Wow. Okay.
I have a little home
Yeah, we're gnomes.
for me. I can fit my bed in there. It's only a twin size. And it's hitting up more. Look how hard it is hitting on the van.
Anybody want a free shower? Go right ahead.
Okay. You can't turn it around.
He's taking a free shower. Can you see yourself?
Kinda. It got dark.
I got dim.
It got dark.
Okay, I'm going for it. It actually.
Hits you in the face. Dude, I just picked that up!
Oh wow.
Oh yeah, if you can tell, I'm wearing Patrick from SpongeBob. It says wee woo wee woo wee woo.
Jesus, I'm about that.
I'm having a
This is not the shirt I wore.
PUBG day.
I'm
This-
having a skull t-shirt today.
This is not the shirt I wore today. I changed because I spilled ketchup on my shirt. The word I wore earlier. I was having chicken patties and ketchup spilled on my shirt. Well, my mom calls me a messy eater. So, and she's not wrong.
Oh, yeah. Watch out for my new video coming up on the 4th, hopefully. Let's hope.
Because we're each
Oh, forgot to mention it's also thundering outside.
we're each gonna make a video for the 4th until
Well, we all can't really do that one.
Well, I
because
can.
You and me are going to be in the same area.
Well, I'm gonna make one before I go to your house anyways.
I was saying that for Thanksgiving and Christmas because then I wasn't even in the shot.
No.
But Thanksgiving and Christmas because we don't get to see each other on those days.
No, but basically though.
We
like,
could on Christmas Eve though.
Yeah, Christmas Eve.
make a Christmas Eve video. All right, let's go.
My shirt is soaked.
I'm hardly wet at all.
Well,
I'm pretty much dried up.
I just saw a spider get hit by water and die.
Well,
I thought the spider was supposed to climb up the water spout and then get drowned out and then climb back up, but no.
what's wrong with the spider?
There's power out over here.
I know, over there too! Oh, we need to get a can opener because they just broke their moms. Oh my god.
Okay.
Was his little sister and her friends.
Yep, that was the Munchkin.
Yep.
Miss Munchkin. That's her name, Miss Munchkin. Her new nickname from now on.
Even though she'll kill you for that.
Who cares?
I've got 19% left on my phone.
Alright,
Hey.
so we should probably start wrapping
It's fine.
It's fine for now. Wait till it gets low enough, then we'll fix.
Your thumb is in the way.
And we'll be able to charge our phones up later and then, well.
Did you like the view of the porch roof?
Yeah, sorry about that. I lost a little
nice,
grip.
It's a nice little.
Well, I'm okay with my phone charge. It's at over 60%.
You're lucky.
I don't have my charger here.
So practically, after mine and his phones die, we're phoneless.
Yep.
No, I'm not. Watch it.
Inside or get out of the way.
Emma, you go.
What do you think?
Run away! Run away, teenagers!
Yep, how about you go and cut that teenage attitude out?
Oh!
And somebody lost the shoe. Are you Cinderella? Yeah. If you get the reference, Cinderella lost the shoe at midnight. Well, even though it's not even midnight, but
But so
She lost it 1 minute before midnight.
It's still not 1 minute before midnight.
Nope. Not for another 9 hours.
I got a cane.
Oh Lord.
Got a problem with me carrying my dad's cane?
No, but it was just random. Just random. This is basically your average random vlog, your everyday vlog. Because we didn't have nothing specifically planned.
Yeah, we
We were
survived.
going to plan something, but this rain happened.
Well, once the rain dies down, then maybe.
I know what I'm gonna do.
What?
Grab my stuff and going to the van.
Yeah, we're probably gonna wrap this up.
Yeah.
Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
And not only that, hit that bell to get notified every time we upload a whole new video.
If you don't hit the bell, you will not know when we get notified. So, yeah.
Give it a shot. We're literally just standing here.
Literally, like, we got nothing better to do, but...
No, we don't.
You could barely see. Yeah, set the camera down.
Touchdown, there you go.
I'm too tall for both of them. I am taller than both of them.
But
I am not in the shot very well.
I'm the shortest in the group.
Yeah. There you go.
Anyways, hope you liked the video.
Comment down below what franchise or anything you guys want us to do sometime this week. If you have any ideas, put them down in the comments.
Yeah, we'll do a video sometime later. Hopefully. There's probably no power at Mom's either.
Probably not, but we'll be lucky once we get back if there is.
Hey, I mean, I have a portable charger.
So do I.
Except mine has a lot more power than yours. So, this is Master BC.
Sarah 13 Stardust.
Rebels power up.
We are signing off.